everyone, my name is Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making crispy breaded pork chops. Let's go! These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my meal today. Extra virgin olive oil, sesame oil, basil leaf, dry thyme, Old Bay, seasoned salt, garlic powder, parsley flakes, dry crushed pepper, black pepper, scallion, onion, garlic, ginger, breadcrumbs, flour, egg, and the pork chops. I'm going to be getting ready to season my pork chops. And this is a piece of ginger, and I am really going for the flavor of the ginger, so and that's why it's so small. It's a wee bit of ginger, and I'm gonna fry my pork chops, so it's gonna be crispy. And then I'm gonna make a little gravy for it. So I'm gonna serve on a bed of rice for a complete meal. I'm gonna toss it in here. I'm just using a piece of, then piece of the scallion. I'm gonna leave that portion for my garnish. I'm gonna put it in my mortar and crush it. So this is my garlic, and this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna beat it because I want my garlic flavor on my pork chop. So best way to do it for me is to pound it in my mortar. I'll drop one more in there, and I'm gonna serve my pork chops as a full course meal, and also I'm gonna make a special sandwich with it as well. So this is what it looks like now, my garlic. So this is what okay, the paprika was eliminated from my my ingredients, but this is one important ingredient that should be there, so I'm gonna add it. So now I'm gonna put all my powdered season. This is put a dash of whatever right now. This is garlic powder, little Old Bay. It's right here, Old Bay, and some dry thyme. Some basil leaf. Seasoned salt. Crush red pepper, and this is for some spice. Trust me, very hot, very spicy. Some black pepper, and a little parsley. I've spread a little sesame oil. I want it to be marinated with the sesame oil, so I'm gonna put a little in my thing. You're gonna stir it around, rub it up, and you're gonna set it aside for maybe 25 to 30 minutes. You can do it overnight if you find the time to do so, and then we should ready to do our pork chops. And as you can see, it's very thin, so it's easily cooked. So see you in a few. This is my breadcrumbs and the flour. Now I'm gonna add a little powdered seasoning, and this paprika is just for the coloring. Garlic, of course. A little Old Bay. A tip of seasoned salt. Basil leaf. Basil leaf. Right around. And seems like you need a little more, but it can be added if you want to. And if you notice, I don't add any salt to my seasoning or my my crumbs, because the powdered seasoning tend to be very salty, and I try to stay away from salt. So I'm gonna just work with what I have without salt. This is done. Now I'm gonna whip my egg. This is my egg bowl. Whip my egg, just one. And just whip it. Just for, you don't have to be well done, but that's supposed to be good. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna just take off a little of the seasoning or the herbs off of my pork chops. Then I'm gonna dip it here, and I'm gonna go over here and make another dip in my crumbs, and then press it here. This is one. Go again. Take the excess herb off my pork chop, dip in here, let it drain a little, then take it to the breadcrumbs, dip it in, and in this waiting bowl. And we'll be doing that until it's finished. Then we will start to fry our pork chops. This is the coated or breaded pork chops ready to be fried. So stay tuned. I turn up my stove, and I would say medium high heat. It's about at number 5. And now I'm gonna pour more oil in it. I'm gonna pour the oil in. And I need the bottom of the pot to be covered with oil. So that's what it's gonna be like. When it comes to really hot, maybe 100, 150 Fahrenheit, then I'll start my frying. But I'll do a little tester before I start it, because you want the oil to be very hot, that no sticking and stuff like that in the bottom. It's non-stick cast iron, but if it's not hot enough, then it will stick, of course. So I'll be back. I'm testing the oil if it's hot, so I'm gonna just drop this in. Just a piece of onion. So it's not as hot as I want it to. So I have to wait. And this is the tester. This is how you test your oil. Just drop anything in your oil, not water, but just a piece of seasoning, a piece of herb, whatever, and a little crumbs of something, and then you will definitely know when the oil is ready for you. Just turn my pork chop on the other side, so give it another 5-6 minutes, and ready. You just want it to be golden brown, and then that's ready. You're gonna need to turn the blaze down to like medium low in order for the pork chop to cook thoroughly, you know, because I'm not making a rare pork chops. I need it to be semi-rare. I need it to be soaked properly. No raw meat. This is the finished product of my crispy breaded pork chops. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!